Mastering Stealth, the art of sneak in undetected. Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's English language learning adventure. In this video, we're diving into a fascinating phrase, sneak in undetected. This phrase packs a lot of action and intrigue, and understanding it can add a new layer of richness to your English conversations. So, let's embark on this journey together and uncover the secrets hidden within these words. Sneak in undetected is composed of two key parts, sneak in and undetected. Sneak in refers to the act of moving into a place quietly and cautiously, usually to avoid attracting attention. It's like tiptoeing into a room so no one knows you're there. Undetected means not being discovered or noticed. It's the ultimate goal of sneaking in, to enter without anyone realizing. Together, the phrase paints a picture of entering somewhere stealthily, without alerting anyone to your presence. It's a favorite in stories of spies, adventurers, and anyone trying to go unnoticed. Now, you might be wondering, how is sneak in undetected relevant to me? Beyond its literal meaning, this phrase can be used metaphorically in various contexts. In everyday life, maybe you've arrived late to a meeting and hope to take your seat without drawing attention. In storytelling, this phrase is perfect for describing characters in novels or movies who must move unseen to achieve their goals. In conversation, it can be used to describe entering any situation subtly, not just physically entering a place. Understanding this phrase allows you to express these situations with vivid imagery, making your English more descriptive and engaging. When using sneak in undetected, context is key. It's most effective when you want to emphasize stealth and the element of surprise. Here are a few tips. Be mindful of the tone. This phrase adds a layer of mystery or playfulness to your conversation. Pair with descriptive details. Enhance your storytelling by describing how someone sneaks in undetected. What strategies do they use? How do they avoid detection? Use in various tenses. You can adapt this phrase to past, present, or future contexts, making it a versatile addition to your vocabulary. And there you have it, a deep dive into the meaning and use of sneak in undetected. This phrase is not just about the physical act of moving quietly. It's about the art of subtlety and surprise in our language and lives. We hope this exploration has enriched your understanding and inspired you to incorporate this phrase into your English conversations. Thank you for joining us on this linguistic adventure, and until next time, keep exploring the depths of the English language.